When you look at a device like the ROG NUC 2025, the first thing most people want to know is how well it handles gaming. After all, this machine is designed with performance in mind, and gaming is where it truly needs to prove itself. Firing up the latest titles on this compact beast quickly shows that it is more than capable. Whether you're pushing heavy AAA games or trying fast-paced esports titles, the experience is smooth, detailed, and reliable. The compact nature of the NUC might make you think it has limits, but in practice, it delivers power that feels like a full-size gaming desktop packed into a much smaller body. Frames stay stable, even at higher resolutions, and the combination of next-gen graphics with strong thermal control makes it a trustworthy system for long sessions. You immediately notice how the system keeps up even when the visuals are maxed out. Games that rely heavily on ray tracing run without struggle, and the frame pacing stays consistent, so you don't feel stutters or unexpected drops. Competitive shooters like Valorant and Counter-Strike run at extremely high frame rates, giving you that edge where response time really matters. On the other hand, big open-world titles that demand serious horsepower, like Cyberpunk and Starfield, maintain impressive detail and fluid gameplay. That balance between high-end performance and efficiency makes the ROG NUC 2025 stand out. Another key part of the gaming experience is cooling. A small form factor usually raises questions about heat, but the thermal system inside has been built carefully. Even during long gaming marathons, the fans keep the temperature under control. You will hear them spin up under stress, but the sound isn't overwhelming, and the performance doesn't throttle. This means you can game for hours without worrying about your system slowing down. It's clear that cooling was a priority. It pays off in consistent performance. Now, moving beyond just gaming, the design of the ROG NUC 2025 is also worth highlighting. Being a compact unit, it doesn't take much desk space, which is a huge advantage if you want something powerful but minimal. The body feels premium with sharp lines, durable construction, and that typical ROG aesthetic that combines aggressive gaming style with modern elegance. The RGB lighting accents are subtle but customizable, so you can make it stand out or keep it minimal depending on your taste. It's the type of design that fits in both a gamer setup and a professional workspace without looking out of place. The build quality is equally impressive. It feels sturdy, and the ports are well placed, giving you easy access for plugging in your peripherals. Despite being small, it doesn't feel cramped or fragile. Every part of the design shows careful thought to ensure functionality without compromising durability. It's not just a gaming toy, it's a serious long-term investment. When it comes to display support, the ROG NUC 2025 really shines. Of course, the unit itself is not tied to a single screen, but it supports multiple higher refresh monitors with ease. You can plug it into a 4144 Hz monitor or even higher refresh rate panels. If you're into competitive gaming, the visuals stay sharp and smooth, and thanks to the latest GPU support, you can enjoy ray-traced graphics and DLSS without a problem. This makes it not just a gaming powerhouse, but also a great choice for creative users who rely on accurate color and detail for editing or design. Performance outside gaming is equally strong. Video editing, 3D rendering, or running heavy applications feels smooth and responsive. The powerful CPU and GPU combination allows multitasking without breaking a sweat. You can have multiple applications open, switch between them instantly, and still feel no slowdowns. For students, professionals, and creators, it doubles as a workstation. This versatility is one of its biggest selling points. Software and features also add to the experience. The system comes with the usual ROG utilities that allow customization of lighting, fan control, and performance tuning. The interface is clean and makes it easy to switch between modes, depending on whether you want maximum power for gaming or quieter operation for everyday tasks. Small touches like performance monitoring and one-click overclocking make it simple. To get the best out of the hardware without needing deep technical knowledge, battery life is not really a focus here. Since this is a desktop-class device rather than a laptop, but efficiency still matters. The ROG NUC 2025 does a great job managing power. When you're not gaming, it runs quietly and efficiently, consuming less energy. When you need full power, it scales up smoothly. This balance means you get strong performance without constant energy waste, which is useful if you care about electricity costs or want a system that adapts well. The sound experience is surprisingly good too. While most people will connect external speakers or a headset, the built-in audio is clear enough for casual use. It provides decent volume and clarity, and for voice chats or light media consumption, it works well. But once paired with a good gaming headset, you get the immersive sound that matches the high frame rates and detailed graphics. Connectivity is another strong area. With multiple USB ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, and high-speed Thunderbolt, you won't feel limited. Wi-Fi and Ethernet support ensure fast and stable internet connections, which are crucial for gaming and streaming. You can also expand storage or connect external devices easily. The flexibility here means you're not restricted. Even though the device itself is compact, price and value are always important to consider. The ROG NUC 2025 is not cheap, but it's not meant to be. It's a premium system designed to deliver desktop-level performance in a much smaller package. For gamers who want power without building a bulky tower, it's an excellent option. For professionals who need strong performance for creative work but don't have space for a traditional desktop, it's equally appealing. When you look at the balance of power, design, and efficiency, the price feels justified. It's not for everyone, but for the right audience, it delivers tremendous value. Like every device, it has pros and cons. The biggest pros are the outstanding gaming performance, compact and stylish design, reliable cooling, and strong connectivity options. It's also versatile enough to serve gamers, creators, and professionals alike. On the downside, it's not as upgrade-friendly as a full desktop tower, and the price might be out of reach for some. The fan noise, while not extreme, is noticeable under load. But these are small trade-offs compared to what you get. In the end, the ROG NUC 2025 is a bold step forward. It brings the full gaming desktop experience into a compact, stylish form without sacrificing much power. For anyone who wants a small but mighty system, this is one of the best options available in 2025. It proves that you don't need a massive PC case to enjoy high-end gaming and performance. This is Tech Vibe, where we bring you straight and simple reviews on the latest tech. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the ROG NUC 2025, make sure to stick around for more honest reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.